Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease on single crochet stitches. So let's chain 5. Okay, now that we have 5 chains, we are going to start single crochet from the second chain. We are not going to count this one, but we're going to count this one here and then the next one. So we're going to use the second chain. Okay, now we have 4 stitches. 1 2 3 4. So now I want to do an increase on the next row. So there are 2 ways I do my increase. So the first one is chaining 1, and then you turn, and then you single crochet on the first stitch twice. This V is going to be our first stitch. So we are going to single crochet twice on that. So 1 2 on the same stitch. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 stitches. So because we increased on the first stitch. So another way I do my increase, let's say I want to increase 1 more stitch, I'm going to chain 2. If I have to increase at the beginning, I'll chain 2, turn my work, and then I've added 2 chains, so I'm going to start from the second chain. So I'm going to increase here by single crocheting 1. So I've done another increase. So the previous row we had 5 stitches. Now we are going to have 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. By chaining 2, I added 1 at the beginning. But if you want to do the normal increase, you can just single crochet twice on that stitch. So now I'm going to show you how to make a decrease. So on this row we have 4 stitches. 1 2 3 4. So I'm going to chain 1 and then turn my work, and then I want to decrease the first stitch, this first stitch. So this is how I'm going to do. I'm going to insert the hook on the first stitch, pull through the stitch, and then insert again the hook on the second stitch, and then pull through the second stitch, and then I'm going to have 3 loops. Then I'm going to yarn over and then pull through the 3 loops, and then I continue to single crochet. Now you can see we have 3 stitches. At the previous row had 4, but now we have 3 stitches. Let me show you one more time. So I'm going to chain 1, turn my work, and then let's say I want to decrease the second stitch. Okay, we have 3 stitches, so I'm going to decrease the second stitch, this one. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to do the first stitch, then I'm insert my hook to this stitch, the second one, pull through the stitch, then insert my hook again on the next stitch, pull through the stitch, and then yarn over and then pull through the 3 stitches, and then you can see we have 2 stitches. So this is how you do your decrease.